Hi guys, welcome back to Android Tips YouTube channel. So guys, if you are new here in this video, please make sure to subscribe this YouTube channel and please hit the bell icon to receive latest videos notification from Android Tips. So guys, in this video I will be showing about how to fix unfortunately Google Play service has stopped. So friends, you just need to watch this video till the end to know how to fix unfortunately Google Play service has stopped. So, friends, firstly, why we face this problem? Google Play service has stopped. Actually, usually we usually face this problem when you play games or when we use any Google applications. So, friends, to fix this problem, you just need to go to Play Store and then search for Google Play Services. So friends, you can see here Google Play Services for AR. You just need to tap here and check whether your Google Play Services for AR is to be updated or not. So friends, if it is to be updated, please update your Google Play Services for AR application and then check out whether your Google applications, some Google applications or games is facing the same problem or not. So even after updating you're facing the same problem, you can just uninstall this Google Play services for AR application and then you can reinstall again. So friends, that's it. It's very easy and simple. I hope you understand this video. So friends, till then, take care and thank you so much for watching this video.